Injectables are a great way to complement microneedling. So first of all, microneedling is going to work a lot on the texture and the appearance of the skin, which is something that you are not going to get from fillers or Botox. I think that a little bit of neurotoxin in areas that people have very strong muscles is a nice way to address the deeper kind of wrinkles. And I think if fillers are well done, and I think the less the better in terms of fillers. And the reason why I think fillers have their place is that if you are dealing with a very hollow area, especially in the temple, a lot of men start to get very hollow temples. Medical needling is not going to fill up this area to the extent that you're going to get a nice filling. So I think they really complement each other beautifully, and I do have a lot of patients who work on these three modalities together and get beautiful results, as long as it's done well and in a very subtle way. I think you can get some true rejuvenation effect.